it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I have a powerful pop-up keepsake idea that I think you're gonna love, so let's take a closer look. It all starts with a petal fold, 4 curved panels woven together in shades of blue. Flip it over and you can see it's from Rice University. As you open the panels, a pop-up starts to emerge, and it's the Rice University mascot, the Rice Owl. The format is called a 2-level PolyStack Polygon pop-up, and this fun mascot theme delivers important stats about the school and is designed to be kept on the desktop as a reminder and as a symbol of school spirit. This campaign also generated a lot of buzz and activity on social media. Rice University has spun out a few variations of this campaign. They ordered 3,000 of this petal fold version as an eye-catching handout for college fairs. They also sent a version that fits into a mail-friendly rectangular zip strip envelope to prospective students, and they have a version for high school counselors that includes a few extra info sheets inside. I love that they took a successful concept and found several ways to use it in their marketing mix. This idea is outstanding for higher ed programs like this one, but I could also see it used for season ticket sales and professional sports, for fundraising or themed events. I'm also feeling a pop-up snowman for the holidays. Somebody stop me. A very special thanks to Structural Graphics and Rice University for sharing this solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.